This video gives you the information about Cody's Elite Hard Code Perception Device. I am Suparesan, Senior Application Engineer from Cody Mechatronics. So this device is a digital design based device. We have fine touch membrane keys like heat, increase, cold, decrease. Like this is for reset, enter, delete, next, previous. And also we have two modes for observing. Hot is heat, it's cool means cool. We can change the testing, and you can have program as well. If you want to rapidly change the temperature in the probe, you can select first option. If you want to in a slow manner, you can select slow option. So this device consists of a sensor. This is the sensor which will give the hot and cool perception in the foot of the patient. And we have the remote, examiner side remote, where you have heat, cool, enter, next, previous as seen in the device. So this key is a remote where you can have the testing assessment. So at the back of the device, you could see the RS-232 communication for the remote, and this power slot, the fuse, and also USB attachment. Let's see the working of this machine in the software. Cody's HCP Elite, Hard Cold Perception Elite, which is a new generation digital diabetic small fiber neuropathy analyzer. So the small fiber, it constitutes the thermal sensation in the foot, like cold and warm perception analysis. Here we have the complete listing of that device, product features, technical specification. So in this we have both foot and hand warm and cool perception, and is available in both pictorial view and table view. The interpretation also you can see right below the foot perception, and the values will be printed, and this detailing also present. So we have to ensure several things before connecting this machine with the computer. First thing, after turning on the power switch, we can see this on or off button. This indicates the power is on. Then after clicking this, pressing this on button, there will be error message thrown in. Why? Because the probe haven't attached. So we have to attach the probe. So this is the knob of the probe, where you can find a notch. So that notch should coincide the notch which is present in the device, and you have to gently push and screw this gently. Then the indication goes off. See, we can see this 29.5 degrees Celsius. This is the sensor's temperature right now. So this is a established procedure before taking the testing. Now we'll see the testing in the software. In the Cody's Foot Clinic V2, we have to click yes. So we will initially will set up this thing using a username password. That we will install it in your place. So after that, so this is the prerequisite is before using the software. First thing is you have to enter the hospital name. Second thing is the doctor name, and third thing is configuring the device. First thing we are entering the doctor hospital name. So these details have been already entered. So the mandatory columns are hospital name, phone number, address, and if you are a first time login, you have to enter your username and password, and you have to if you have a logo, you can also upload that, and clicking save, the details will be saved. So you can see this saved successfully option, and clicking OK, these details will be saved. Next thing is entering the doctor name and clicking HCP. HCP indicates healthcare professional, which includes doctor and examiner. We have this option of adding doctor, add HCP. So here you can add your respected doctor or examiner's details, and the mandatory columns are prefix, name, gender, role, specialty. Specialty indicates the test which we are seeing in the home page. So this, whichever test is applicable for the doctor, you can include those testing. So when you click this particular option, code is HCP aligned test, so it will be included, and after clicking save, this will be recorded. And third thing is patients. Before beginning the testing, you have to enter the patient name. So here we have to add patient. Similarly, like healthcare professional, you also enter prefix, first name, gender, age, and click the patient information. Save the patient information by clicking save. So after completing all those things, we can start the testing. The third thing is configuring the device. So we have an option of this key, 12-digit key. That will be printed at the back of a device. So you have to note down these particular values and enter into the system. So we will be seeing this code is aligned HCP testing, and we are going to configure this device. On clicking this, it will, now we have to select this, the code is HCP aligned. Enter the patient information. So we are using demo. Clicking next, we will open the test screen. You have to enter this key, which will be printed at the back of the device, and MAC ID, which is also seen in the back of the device, and connection type USB. We have two options like USB and Bluetooth. Both options we can connect. So now we are connecting it using USB, and clicking save, the details will be saved. Once the machine is connected, this green will blow on, so which indicates the connection is established, and now we are ready to take the testing. So we can see this USB blinking on and off. It indicates the machine is connected with the software. Now we are going to test foot, warm and cool. We have another options also like hand and other speeds in other sites also. We can take this warm and cool perception. Now we are going to test foot warm and cool perception. After clicking start test, now it is on warm perception test. We are going to test this thing. So here you could note this temperature will rise to 32 and it will give you the beep stating that the machine is ready to start the testing. Now we have to place it on the foot of the patient, right great toe. So this sensor should touch this right great toe and we have to press this button. Then the temperature will rise in a slow manner as the program is in slow mode. So it will. So after certain point, the patient will feel the heart perception. So once the patient feels this, you have to enter. So that value will be recorded and it slowly goes back to 32 degrees for next site assessment. So now we are going to do and it will give you the beep alerting to take the test in another extremity. Like if this is the first metatarsal. Similarly in software we could locate the first metatarsal portion. Then you have to press this plus button to raise the temperature of the probe. On clicking press button, prolonged press, the temperature of the sensor will be varied. So at a certain point, the patient will feel the heart sensation. Then you have to click this enter. The value gets recorded and goes to the next stage. So the testing of warm perception is completed now. Then we are going to click this save button. So to complete the testing. Next we are going to do the testing in cool perception. So after clicking this start test, so the value will rise to 34 degrees Celsius. So and it will give the beep to start the testing. Now we have to place a similar way as in warm perception. We have to place it in the great toe and now we have to press this cool button. Long press. It will slowly reduce the temperature of the sensor. So at a certain point, the cool perception sensation. So at that certain point, you have to press this enter button. So this value will be recorded and it will be shown on the testing screen. Similar way, we can do it in the next portion. So after the testing got completed, it will switch back to 34 degrees Celsius and it will give the beep. Then you have to place it on the next place and slowly when you press this cool button, the temperature of the sensor will reduce normally. So at a certain point the patient felt the cool perception. There we are going to press this enter button. This will save the values. In a similar fashion, we will do the complete testing of this cold perception. Now the cold perception test also completed. We are going to click this save button to save both warm perception and cold perception test. The testing of warm and cool perception test is completed. So now we are about to save and generate the report. So this is the generated report where you can see the warm perception study and cool perception study. So this is the indicated report. So we have this export as PDF option, print option, and change to table view also is present. So we want our whichever view you want, foot view and table. If you want foot view, you can change to foot view, and table view you can change to table view. So that this is an interpretive software. You can have the interpretation right below the table. And we have few more options also available while connecting this device with the computer. Using Bluetooth option you can connect. We have a Bluetooth switch over here. You can use this Bluetooth switch, and also if you want to have heating switch is there to increase the warm perception, cool is there to increase the cool perception, and enter key to enter, next, previous, delete. So these are all the keys which is in the front panel of the device. That keys will be in the remote also. You can use this remote also, and you can connect this thing in the using this Bluetooth option also. Without this remote also you can use your Android mobile phone as a remote. Android application also we have. If you want, we can give the application to your mobile also. Thank you for listening this Codeis Elite HCP presentation.